Well, hello everybody, and we've got another afternoon adventure out in the HDL garden. So the pups have just come out and they're about to be fed outside. It's a lovely warm day, and we've got 3 out here and then we've got 3 over by the door. And so they're whining now. I think they might know that they're about to get fed. Coming over here, look at that speed now. Wow, look at that Aphrodite. Big strong run. So they're so much stronger now, and then coming out in the garden they can really show you their turn of speed. So their coordination's come on and muscle strength has come on. Really quick development this last 48, 72 hours. What about that, Hera? Yeah, good girl. So we've got Molly and Sadie in the poop pen over there. Sadie is getting her little black dress made ready. She had a little accident in it yesterday, so that's in the wash, in the tumble dryer now. Athena looking on there. What's going on, you two? So they love a little adventure. They'll climb over things, under things. This grass is a bit deep for them. Good girl. You're the running one today, aren't you, Aphrodite? You get puffed out. Look at this one running. Little chunks. That was Hera. Yeah, what do you think? So we've got Leda, Aphrodite, Hera and Athena there. So that means it's Zeus and Iris over there. Let's go and see what they're up to. Susie! So he's having a check out of Mum. And Iris is destroying something behind the grill. Come on in, Susie. All the time keeping an eye out for those nasty buzzards, isn't that right? What are you getting wound up about? Here we go. Here we go. He's a good girl. Good girl. Look at you guys. Hera, come on. Little white fluff balls over here. Come on then. We'll let the big dogs out in a minute when we get Mummy with her black dress on. What is it? Come on then. Come on then. We've got to have food first. Oh, would you believe it? So don't panic, everybody. That's our tornado siren. So it's just another piece of noise desensitizing for the dogs. Perfect. I hasten to add, it's not really a tornado warning, it's just a practice. What do you think to that noise then? What do you think to that noise? Hello. Hello, Bubble Upper. There, yeah. This is a hot day for you guys, isn't it? Come on, pups. Come on. The funny thing is, in the background you can hear dogs all over the place howling, listening to it. Doesn't seem to affect these pups at all. Yeah. Okay, where's Mrs HDL with that food? Come on in, pups. Come on, Zeusy boy. Good boy. Good puppies. Yeah. Good job. Let's go over here. Come on. Let's go. This way. Let's go. Come on then. Come on. There. There we go. Come on in, you two. Oh, you're going to sleep well this afternoon. All right, guys, I'll let you in a second. There. Oh, you like that tummy rub now? There we go. So. Okay, Sades. They're all having a look at Mum. And they're going to have their lunch outdoors, which they seem to like. And that gives us a nice chance to give the pen a nice proper clean out as well. Yeah. What is it, puppies? Aphrodite's really been running around. You alright, South Iris? Are you hungry? Who's hungry? Who's hungry? There's something coming now. Oh, really?
Oh my goodness.
There we go.
Oh, easy, babies. Yeah, right there.
That's that dry food. They're starting to get used to it. They were good this morning. Yeah, that's helped you, hasn't it? Slow down. Have we got a cloth or anything we could put over it? Just to drape some of it? Do you want a hand? So I had to apologise to everybody on the video for the tornado siren going off.
Yeah, I said something on the lunch.
There. Okay, well, with these ones having their lunch, we're going to go and get Sadie in her little black dress, and we will see you on the live stream. Bye bye.